So I've arrived the day before the 10th full moon at the beautiful Jero Abian Timbul for the start of the ordination, the Padiksaan ceremonies for Anak Agung Gede Asmara and his wife Anak Agung Ketut Sri Mahyuni from Mogan. And Anak Agung is the favourite uncle from the first family of Sanor Intaran. Favourite in the sense he's such a sweetie. Of course, Mr. Kompiang is the dashing Clark Kent. Errol Flynn, uncle. Swastiastu. And Anak Agung Asmara has been in Jakarta for many years as head of IHAD and building many temples. This afternoon the priests are having their wash. Swastiastu. So the cousin just whispered that my great friend Gungsu Bamia has been trance again. I want them all in trance, all the time. It's always a great Sakho Santi reading the Holy Scriptures and translating. Usually Mama's over here, the ladies. Mr. Bamia's wife. So this is all the villagers coming here today. Swastiastu, the sister of Gungsu Bamia. Oh yeah. Sadak dalam ped, Gungsu Bamia. So the Ananda Nabe, the mentor priest, who will be kicking them into action after they've symbolically died at 4 a.m. tomorrow morning in the Padanda Bluanga. Made Bluanga from the Greer in Sanor is in here somewhere. Just looking beautiful this afternoon, sun. The extended family from the Jero in Mogan, near Kapon, from the wife of Anak Agung Gede Asmaran. Anak Agung Asmaran's arrived. Swastiastu. So this is their first. The first of the ceremonies for the Padiksaan, looking terribly grand, like a freshly minted Father Christmas. Lukat, very important ceremony. After their purification ritual, we're praying with the entire extended family. The big Jero Abian Timbul extended family, including the Bandesa and the Mangku Desa. The Bagus Mangku from the Gria next door. I love the two elephants flanking the special little cave that the priest to be are going to go into this little cage later till early morning. And I'll come back early morning and try and get them sort of dying and then being revived and born again as Bagawans. It's 4 a.m. I'm back at the Jero Abian Timbul for the all-important Nyederaga ritual suicide. So inside are all the priests and family members are waiting for the Nasi and his wife to come out of their little cave over here. Last night they put themselves into a spiritual coma in privacy. And they will walk the white carpet to the family house shrine in a while. The high priest is coming to teach them how to tie their top knot. And then the actual ordination, the Padiksar, will take place early morning. So the Padanda has arrived. My friend is Padanda. So he's going to teach. So it's now 8:30. I'm arriving for the Mabiyakala ritual, the actual ordination. See what gamelan we have now. Pwingana. To the Marajan. I can hear the bells of the Padana Nabi from Glod Pakan. Sakar Santi's in all their white now. Tester. So we're just before the climax today. Padana Nabe is, whoa, what a beautiful white katu. Very special offerings. Amazing amount of offerings. The family are out now, doing some important blessings. What a beautiful light. How does Missy Baby? The big list. Isagal, here it comes. Dayatukan from Glod Pakan. Head granny waving that list. Getting everything ready to receive the offerings. So before the Chalan Padiksa comes out, there's the Pangajang Carrier and the Sadag Dalamped. Just talking to Chakota Kasima and almost missed the arrival. So they've come out of the cave. I love the MC. The daughter, Unga Istri Steiger. Which her husband was saying, he is saying it. Oh, very special. A bit of a Majapahit utensil. That is gorgeous, Kimberly. Everything shining copper. Extended family. Mr. Steiger. The Padanda Istri from Glod Pakan. This is the first receipt from this very ancient palace, the main palace of Sanor. They've never done it before, but it's being done very beautifully, and the dogs are taking note too. But he's great. He is great, the master of ceremonies. Very special Liskade. So they've just come out of their self-imposed coma, reborn in a higher, more purified state. So they're praying alone to the ancestral shrine. This wonderful Majapahit Gedong.
Anikal pink tiger, Anikal pink tiger.
this is the climax, when they will be empowered through the feet of their holy mentor.
Aku sapi antuk wastra petak, aku sapi dening wastra petak. Nah, Raris lagi dan anak istri. Nah, Raris Anila.
Kissing the feet,
Raris.
sucking those
Anuan
toes.
pada.
This is that magic moment when they touch the feet with the head. That's rather beautiful. That's the first time they have the white water lily in their top knot. Boing. They're going to cut a little bit of hair and a little bit of water. That goes into a special container. A little bit of hair and a little bit of white water lily. So those little containers will go to the family house temple in one of the shrines. It's the tying of the Brahmanic strings, signifying a priestly state. It's all about tying and prying. Asking for the blessing of their teacher, Dananabe. And they get to eat something. Oh, they got a ring. And the Istri has her gas gun. The moment of the gas gun. Something happening here. Probably the naming ritual. The special list made out of alang alang, magic wand. Bang, bang, bang. This is called the Sakar Sword. Usually they get put on the head. Bang, bang, bang. Spirit goes into the Sakar. Bang, bang, bang. Beautiful. What a fabulous thing. Padani getting very emotional with the giving of this picture. Love the MC taking the phone call. Daughter and my cousins. Careful they don't come to the back here. The sons have got those pictures. So, I have to go to the Gadong to pray one more time. Two royal princes, Chikoda Satria, Chikoda Kasiman, witnessing the proceedings from their high pavilion. overlooking the main courtyard of the Marajan. Beautifully done, absolutely magnificent ceremony.